Hello, London explorer. I mean, obviously, I've started recording. We are in Kennington. We have to start with beautiful detail, right? Oh, how stunning is this? Behind me there is another beautiful building. It's a library. So what's the plan? The plan is to walk around and explore this area, Kennington. I mean, not my favorite, to be honest. But look at this. It's telling you a lot about where you are. Well, welcome to Kennington. So this is Edinburgh House. It's an office space. I'm not sure what the deal is, but this street is only estate agents everywhere. And typical for the UK is just barber, Thai massage, empty buildings. Empty shops, shop to rent, cafe restaurants, Pizza Hut delivery, and that's it. The Cock, gay tavern, gay club, gay disco. I've been there a couple of times. Crowdy, but nice. I'm really surprised. There's a lot of empty land. I'm so surprised because there is still no massive block built here. I mean, guys, it's money, right? Don't waste it. Just build monstrosity like those two. Oh, fucking hell. Architecture-wise, absolutely stunning. Obviously, very old. A lot of buildings need some makeup and love, but architecture-wise, stunning. My best friend lived in Kennington for a couple of years. And every time when I visited him, I just had that feeling of just being on the edge, just not feeling comfortable. And it's still the same feeling right now. I would say this is a constant sound of Kennington. Sirens. Anyway, if you're looking for some scenery for a horror movie, my proposal is the Oval Station. Just look at this. So, what they've done, they removed all tiles from the building. Why? Because I think some of them were loose and it was, it was dangerous, so they decided to take them all down and to, do something with that. When they will finish, who knows? I predict it will take them only 5 years. Right, how do I feel about this place? About Kennington? Well, I'm not a huge fan of it. I'm not relaxed walking here. The vibe is off. And now everyone in the comment section, he doesn't know what he's talking about. Deport him. Well, I know what I'm talking about. About the feeling of just being uneasy. This is exactly how I feel right now. We've got lime bikes and pile of rubbish. This is what I'm talking about, the vibe. But the most important, we've got the flag in the window. Question, because I'm wondering if it's really that difficult to repair stuff to make it look nicer. Why people do not care? I just don't get it. Lime bikes. The nightmare of London. Anyway, Kennington has a lot of those beautiful houses. However, what is really sad is most of them looking pretty grim. Really sad. Wow, I mean, stunning. Okay, so this street feels very authentic. A lot of independent businesses, like Malinka, for instance, which I guess is Polish. A lot of restaurants, beauty salons, barbers, chicken shops. Beautiful building. Fantastic. And those bins everywhere. Oh gosh, it feels 100% London. I mean, just look at this. Kennington Park Business Centre. Okay. All right, guys, that looks really cool.
Oh, hello.
That looks really cool, guys. I think it's a very old building that was converted to something that is really, really cool. I was just told off. I'm not allowed to film here. Well, guys, I wanted to say something positive, but you didn't give me a chance. I am in Kennington Park and I see a Kennington Park flower garden. I mean, yes, please. Okay. Okay. I need to admit, this is stunning. Kennington Park. It's quite well maintained. I'm quite impressed, actually. The last time I was here, 2015, and it looked much worse. Now it's getting better. Right, those two, they've just met. I think they know each other. And she was like, how are you? How are you? And then he's like, oh, you know, surviving. It's okay, surviving. And I think it's exactly how a lot of people right now are feeling, right? Surviving. Even the screen, it's not straight here. Okay. Thank you so much for today's walk. We're gonna finish here at Oval Station. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.